I am back at you guys with another video. Yep, another video already. For those of you that are on the keto diet and that are struggling with figuring out little meals and little snacks, I'm going to be making a little recipe for you guys that is keto friendly, really easy, so good on the go in the morning, as a snack, as a meal, deviled eggs. So if you want to see my recipe that helped me lose like 19 to 20 pounds, then keep watching. First things first, might sound like common sense, but put the eggs in here first, fill with water. Oh, by the way, yes, I am using a teapot to boil my eggs because I don't have a big pot. But anyway, put the eggs in first and then boil. Otherwise, if you put all the water in, then put the eggs, it'll overflow. So you're going to put it on high, and the moment that the water starts to boil, you're going to set a timer for exactly 13 minutes, and it's going to give you perfect eggs every time. So as soon as they're done, you're going to fill up the pot with cold water and let it sit for about 5 minutes just till it all cools down. You're going to see how easy it is to peel once we do this. After the eggs are cooled down, drop them into a cup like this. Shake it up really good. Now it's going to be cracked really easily. Take a piece of paper towel, set it down so you could crack, and then look at how magical and easy it peels, literally in 1 second. Do that with the rest of the eggs. I think part of the key is to shake it really hard, as hard as you can, as hard as you can. And then voila! Some of them will open easier than others, so then just rinse it off. Clean up the towel, makes cleanup easy. You have your bowl of clean eggs. Slice it down the middle, and I like to take a knife and just scoop it out perfectly. Just to give you guys a visual, these are the ingredients that you'll be adding. I need 4 ounces of cream cheese, so this is a little trick that I do. It says 0 right now, so I'm just gonna keep taking it out until it says 4 ounces. Put it in here, and now this has reached negative 4.2 ounces, so that should be good enough. Now I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of mayo. What's good about keto is that we don't actually have to use low fat. Yay! Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of distilled vinegar. Now I'm going to add some smoked paprika. This is 1/8 of a teaspoon. You could use regular paprika, but I like to use the smoked. And you could add more for your liking. And I'm just going to add half of a packet of Splenda. This is what it should look like. Now that we have all the ingredients, we're just going to mash all of this yumminess into the eggs. OMG, it's gonna be so good. Once you have it all mashed up, it's actually a little bit more creamier than the normal deviled eggs because we put a lot of ingredients, the vinegar, the mayo, the cream cheese. It makes it have like a little zang to it. So now you're just going to fill them up. This is the finished product. I just sprinkled them with some paprika. Feel free to add some bacon bits. You cook them in a pan and just chop them up and sprinkle those on top. It would make it taste even more delish. I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy recipe for the keto diet. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe down below and hit the button to get notified every time that I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.